Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the phone down and removing SIM and card to avoid damage. Use an ESD-safe mat and keep screws organized because reassembly depends on orientation. Once ready, remove the back cover and any midframes using a spudger. Work slowly to avoid clips breaking. If you see adhesive, apply gentle heat to soften it. This prevents cracking. Make sure to note ribbon cable placements and take a quick photo. You'll thank yourself during reassembly. Now disconnect the battery to remove any power risk, then gently unplug adjacent flex cables so you have clear access. If the connector is soldered, use a hot air station or fine-tip iron to desolder while applying flux, then lift the part with tweezers. Clean the pads with isopropyl alcohol to remove residue. Place the new connector precisely, reflow or solder the terminals, and confirm a strong mechanical bond. A loose joint causes intermittent charging. Once cooled, trim excess flux and inspect under magnification. Reassemble by reversing disassembly. Reattach shields, reseat flex cables, and tighten screws in their recorded order because misplacement can cause shorts. Reconnect the battery last, then power on and plug in a known good charger to test. Observe charging icon and voltage behavior. Make sure data transfer works if the port supports it. If charging fails, check solder joints and use a multimeter for continuity. Once done, secure any loose parts and perform a final functional test to confirm reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.